Hello, my name is Diane. I am learning English. Today, I want to share my morning routine with you. This is a simple story. You will hear common English words and sentences. I will speak slowly and clearly. Listen to me and read the words. You can learn new vocabulary. You can also repeat after me to practice speaking. Are you ready? Let's begin. This story is for beginner English learners. You will learn about daily routines, time, and simple verbs. Now, let me tell you about my morning routine. Every morning, I wake up at 6 a.m. The sun is not up yet. It is still dark outside. My alarm rings loudly. Beep, beep, beep. I open my eyes slowly. I feel sleepy, but I know it is time to get up. I turn off the alarm. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I sit up in bed. I take a deep breath. Then I get out of bed. My feet touch the cold floor. I walk to the bathroom. I switch on the light. The bathroom is bright. I look in the mirror. My hair is messy. My eyes are small. I smile. I say, "Good morning, Diane." Next, I brush my teeth. I take my toothbrush. I take the toothpaste. I put toothpaste on the brush. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Brush, brush, brush. Up and down. Left and right. I rinse my mouth with water. I wash my face. The water is cold. I feel fresh now. I take a shower. I use soap and water. I wash my body. I wash my hair with shampoo. The water is warm. I feel good. After my shower, I dry my body with a towel. I put on clean clothes. I like to wear a t-shirt and jeans. Sometimes I wear a dress. Today I am wearing a red t-shirt and blue jeans. I comb my hair. I feel ready for the day. Then I go to the kitchen. I am a little hungry. I open the fridge. I take out milk and eggs. I cook breakfast. I make scrambled eggs. I pour milk into a glass. I also eat bread with butter. Sometimes I eat fruit. Today I am eating a banana. It is sweet and soft. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. I drink my milk. I feel full. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. I use soap and water. I clean the plates. I clean the glass. I dry them with a towel. I put them back in the cupboard. The kitchen is clean now. Next, I check my bag. I am going to school. I put my books in my bag. I take my notebook. I take my pen and pencil. I also take my lunch box. I pack rice and vegetables for lunch. I check my timetable. Today is Monday. I have English, math, and science. I am ready. I look at the clock. It is 7:30 a.m. It is time to go. I wear my shoes. I take my bag. I open the door. I step outside. The air is fresh. I walk to the bus stop. I see other people. They're going to work or school. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I sit near the window. I look outside. I see cars, trees, and people. The bus moves. I listen to music on my phone. I feel happy. I like the morning. It is quiet and calm. After 20 minutes, I reach my school. I get off the bus. I walk into the school. I see my friends. I say, "Good morning." They smile and say, "Good morning, Diane." We talk and laugh. We are ready for class. This is my morning routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast. I get ready for school. I take the bus. I talk to my friends. My morning is simple, but it helps me start my day well. Thank you for listening to my story. This is my morning routine. It is a simple routine. I do it every day. It helps me to feel fresh, happy, and ready. What is your morning routine? Do you wake up early or late? Do you eat breakfast or skip it? Try to talk about your morning in English. Use the words you learned today. Now, let's review some of the new words. Wake up, to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. Brush teeth, to clean your teeth. Example, I brush my teeth every morning. Take a shower, to clean your body with water. Example, I take a shower after I wake up. Eat breakfast, to eat in the morning. Example, I eat eggs and bread. Wear clothes, to put on clothes. Example, I wear jeans and a t-shirt. Pack a bag, to put things in a bag. Example, I pack my books and lunch. Catch the bus, to get on a bus. Example, I catch the bus at 7:30 a.m. Say good morning to greet people. Example, I say good morning to my friends. Repeat the words after me. Practice them. Use them in your own sentences. If you like this story, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will share more simple English stories for beginners. Listening to stories is a fun way to learn English. You will learn grammar, new words, and how to speak clearly. You can listen to this story again. You can read with me. You can repeat after me. Practice every day. Your English will get better. Thank you for learning with me today. Bye for now.